Hello there, this is AJ. I am back making videos. I am making this subway vlogs for like the entire system, every station. Well, not station, but every single line. There are 34 in total, but the two of those are actually different lines. However, I was supposed to do like a couple months ago. Then I had health issues, anxiety I had, which is heart racing, especially on subways when you have those. And I just want to tell you, I'm gonna make us like all 34 lines plus the light rails in New Jersey City and PATH trains and Staten Island Railroad. If my videos are good, then I'm going to show you how it's spelled. So I am starting on the Archer Avenue line, which is in Queens. I'm starting off Queens subway lines. Then I'm going to take one to Brooklyn, then Manhattan, finally the Bronx. It's going to take a long time to make these videos, at least. Well, this is the E platform I'm going to pass through. Don't know what I'm doing, but what I'm believing is you better calm yourself down with when you're traveling a lot. So I'm at Archer Avenue, the first stop I'm gonna do, and see how many lines I'm gonna get there. It's gonna take a long time to make these vlogs. So I'm gonna start off with the E, which is Archer Avenue. That only has 3 stations on the way. Let's see how much I can do. This is the Boulevard. JK, now on the railroad. This is interesting. Okay, I am Matt. I'm gonna stop at Jamaica Vanwick. I'm going to say this, if you like my content, new content, about, the whole transportation thing and at every stop, if it's good, it's good, you keep watching all the stations. Right now, this is the 3rd and final stop on the Archer Avenue line. And the next line I'm going to do is Astoria. As you can see, I'm gonna be patient because it's gonna take a long time. See what can I vlog about? The whole city. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. My name is AJ. This is JetFan92. Thank you so much and peace.